that the drafters of the Constitution, and many of them are alive, intended this and this to be like this. To avoid this kind of confusion and embarrassment, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, it's very embarrassing that the Senate takes National Assembly to a court of law. It's very embarrassing that as an advocate from National Assembly is an adversarial situation with an advocate representing Senate. Honestly,
this one parliament.
Parliamentary Service Commission is an absurdity. It's a theater of absurdity. Honorable Speaker, the Speaker's panel, the senior members of the House leadership, Parliamentary Service Commission, must now be required to resolve this matter once and for all. It is. Honorable Speaker, I do not want to agree that senators are idle. I don't want to agree that the senators do not have enough work. Honorable Speaker, the amount of road that's at the county government level is so much work for them to do. I wonder where they even get time to wake up at 5 or 4 in the morning to spend all their day hopping from one television station to another, talking about things that do not even affect the counties. We have no medicine in county hospitals, Honorable Speaker. The health system does not work. Honorable Speaker, there is no agriculture. They don't support agriculture. Honorable Speaker, feeder roads are impassable. Honorable Speaker, ECD, the ECD boys and girls have to petition our own classroom built by CDF. There is so much to be done, Honorable Speaker. The issue of even cess, the issue of duplication in terms of taxation and levies. They have so much to do, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, if you look at the report of the Office of the Auditor General, now the greatest source of corruption, loss of public funds, is no longer at the national level, it's at the county level. Honorable Speaker, how do you explain that any given county, 90% goes to paying for salaries and other emolument? Actually, Honorable Speaker, counties now have become employment bureaus. They are not service delivery centers. Yet the senators have the audacity, have abdicating their duty, neglecting their duty to come and encroach on matters that do not have assistance. Honorable Speaker, if they did not read the Constitution and understand that there were lower houses, the best thing they need to do, resign, seek ways to get to the National Assembly so that you can enjoy what National Assembly has been donated to. Finally, Honorable Speaker, it's a call upon now our Speaker, being the chairman of Parliamentary Service Commission, and the two clerks must sit down and resolve this matter before we seek other ways to embarrass each other so that the public can see who is a fool among the two houses. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
The MP from Dewa.
Honorable Speaker, much have been said about this. Let's drain the swamp.